While the conversation about gender diversity in the workforce has stepped up, it seems not enough is being done about closing the gap, especially at senior levels. For example, a Boston Consulting Group analysis found while there's a 55 to 45 split in the total workforce, that gap widens as we go up the ladder. 30% of senior managers are female, 22% are represented on company boards, and only 5% are CEOs of Australia's largest 200 listed companies. Georgette Nichoals is one of only 9 female CEOs on the ASX 200.
I think it shows that even though most companies like Genworth have strategies in place to address the promotion and leadership development of women, that it does take time, that change takes time.
The mortgage insurance company has 43% female representation in senior leadership.
And that helps with our decision making. It makes it more robust and more vibrant. There's good debate many times, but I think it again brings value to shareholders and to our customers.
While some businesses have initiatives targeting gender diversity, many aren't effective and change needs to be driven from the top. The Boston Consulting Group has found that men and women have a different view of the obstacles and the degree of success of gender diversity.
Women talk about retention and development and advancement being the most critical for them to be able to be successful and become senior within their organisation. And men talk about typically recruitment being the most important thing to get right, and that's just not the case.
Flexibility is also critical.
So people need to see senior leaders and middle management taking flexible models and doing that successfully.
Jetstar CEO Jayne Hrdlicka leads by example.
I regularly take my kids to school. I will go and take time out during the day to go to a soccer match or a school play and come back to work.
The 24-hour nature of the airline industry demands flexibility, but reviewing policies is also important.
And we're just about to roll out a new approach to managing rosters and our team members who have some of the toughest jobs in the organisation so that they do have more input and more influence. And that's a really important thing for me.
Encouraging staff to stay within the company and rise up the ranks, where 50% of the operating business in the Qantas Group are run by women.